Hey guys, today I am sharing with you the 6 fashion mistakes that you are probably making. Now, it's not fair. There's no fashion rule book or guidebook, which is why you have me. So I'm gonna go over the 6 common fashion mistakes and how to avoid them. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so give it a big thumbs up or a like if you do. Also, I love all of my viewers. I just love you and I want to give back to you. So I am giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to one lucky winner. So thank you for watching and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Now, shall we get into this? The 6 fashion mistakes you're probably making. If this is not any indicator of what the first fashion mistake is that you're probably making, then I'll just go ahead and say it. And that is having too much going on. Too many patterns and colors and accessories and jewelry. Now, each of these on their own would probably look pretty rad with this dress, but when you pile them on, it just gets overwhelming and it's really hard for the eye to focus. So I'm gonna show you how I would edit this look. I eliminated a lot of baggage and kept just a couple things on, which I feel like complement my look and aren't competing with it. Now, in these types of instances, I love to look to the experts. In this case, Miss Coco Chanel, and she says, before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take off at least one item. I think that's really good advice. The second fashion mistake that you're probably making, and you know what? I have totally made this mistake as well, and it's a really easy one to want to make. And I think it's just because we're lazy. And that is wearing ill-fitting shoes. Now, whether these shoes are too big for you and have that little gap behind your heel, or if they're too small. I mean, how many times have you scrunched your toes into shoes that are just too small, maybe because they were on sale, or you were just too lazy to return them? Yeah, like me too. But that is definitely the second fashion mistake that a lot of us are making. Just buy shoes that fit you, and if they don't, return them. The third fashion mistake that you might be making is the opposite of the first. And instead, you are just wearing too little jewelry or no jewelry at all. Now, I love accessories because it's an easy way to show your personality. It's a cheap way to wear trendy pieces without investing a lot of money in them. And I think they're fun. So here are my 2 tips for wearing accessories if you are just a little lost. The first tip is just to wear more dainty jewelry together. Whether that's a nice pair of studs and just a simple bracelet, like those two are going to complement each other and not fight for attention. The other tip is to focus on one statement piece of jewelry, whether that's a super rad hat or a nice scarf or a big chunky bracelet. Like, let that be the showstopper and don't have any other pieces that are gonna try to compete with that. The fourth fashion mistake that just pains me to see because I see it a lot, and it's very easy to fix and will also have a very big impact on your looks, and that is wearing outdated glasses. Whether that is like your optical everyday wear or your sunglasses, it's just those outdated shapes that I'm talking about. If you are questioning whether your glasses are outdated, then likely, yes, they probably are, and it's very easy to fix, and it would be worth trying on some new glasses. My favorite place is Warby Parker. That's where all of my glasses are from, and they're $99, and there are a ton of options. They also have a virtual try-on technology on the computer, so you can get an idea of what frames would look like on you. They'll ship you 5 or so options and you can see which ones look best and then order the pair that you want. You've got options, people, and I guarantee that a more updated eyewear is going to also make you look younger. So yes, get on that. The next is something that I talked about before because it happens to all of us. Like literally, this happens to everyone. There is no way to avoid it. And that is getting those pills on your clothes. And when I say pills, it's P-I-L-L, and it's just those little balls of fabric, like wherever there is friction. So typically in between your armpits, or it happens a lot on leggings, in between your thighs. On my couch, I will get pills, on my headboard, all over my sweaters. This is a very natural occurrence, But the mistake is not getting rid of the pills, and I have a very easy way to get rid of them. And that is with this little ditty, this Conair defuzzer. It's my best friend. I was trying to find it, and then I realized it's just in my office, like, because I use it all the time. It's $12 off of Amazon, and it will completely revive your clothes. I'll show you. So you take it, you turn it on, and you literally just rub. Like, the best sound in the world is when you get the sound of it like taking the balls off. If you know, you know. I will link this down below, and you need one. You just do. You need one of these. The sixth and final fashion mistake that you're probably wearing is also really easy to fix. And that is simply if you are wearing a lighter, more neutral outfit, whether it's whites or beiges or creams, then do not wear black shoes with it. I think a lot of us think black shoes go with everything. And for a lot of things they do, unless it's a lighter outfit. By throwing black shoes on, it's just gonna make it too much of a stark difference, and these shoes aren't going to enhance your outfit at all. They're just gonna be competing for attention. So instead of wearing black, go for a more neutral shoe, whether that is a nude or a brown or a tan. That's it. That was the last rule. Very easy. Now all of these are subtle. It is not a life or death decision whether you defuzz your clothes or not. It's not, but they are gonna make a difference and hopefully help you feel a little bit more confident in your everyday wear. Thanks for watching my video, and please consider subscribing to be part of my YouTube family. I do consider you guys family. And if you are joining today's giveaway, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will also link down below all of the rules for the giveaway. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye.